Hi my beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an eyeliner tutorial, how to perfect and get the perfect eyeliner. If you guys are beginners, this video will be really good for you guys. So yeah, if you guys want to see how to get the perfect eyeliner, then just stay tuned and let's just get started. If you guys still struggle when you guys are doing your eyeliner, you know, that's something that I also not really struggle. Wait, déjenme presionar because I just woke up. Because I know eyeliners can be like literally eyebrows. You can have like a really nice eyebrow day, or you can have like a really nice eyeliner day. But yeah, I'm just gonna do like a quick and easy eyeliner makeup look. So I'm gonna start by moisturizing my face because right now it feels like a dry desert. So with my Cetaphil moisturizer. But today we're going back to my favorite foundation, with Too Faced Face Day foundation. So yeah, let's just get started with my makeup because I have 30 minutes to do my makeup before I go to work. I'm gonna pep and prime my skin using the MAC Pep and Prime Spray. So now that I have that, I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with my Maybelline Master Chrome Concealer. I ride and die for this. But since today is like hella windy and raining outside, like those are the days that I feel like you don't really need as much face product. You know, since today is raining, I don't feel the need to put on primer because my foundation's not gonna go nowhere. We're basically done with the foundation. I'm gonna be going in with my Fenty Beauty Truffle contouring stick. So I'm just gonna blend this in. Oh my god, have you guys heard the new album of Aiko? Oh my god, my girl did it again. She's so freaking beautiful, and like her whole album is just so therapeutic. Like I have it on repeat. And then Bad Bunny's album, oh my god. They're like my go-to albums right now. Like when I want to feel like a bad bitch, you know, I listen to Aiko and Bad Bunny. But when I'm in my feelings and like going through it, I listen to Aiko. So now going in with my Too Faced, it's not Too Faced, going in with my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight under the eyes. I'm going to be using my Too Faced setting powder. I'm almost done with this. And I think I just had bought it. I don't know. I go through this powder so fast. But I can't let it go. Like, it's like my ride and die powder. So now I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio Fix powder. Alright, so I have my eyebrows on. Let's get to the eyeliner because this is the most important thing of the video. I'm using my NYX eyeliner and this is in black. That's how it looks like. It's the best drugstore eyeliner out there. So the way to get the perfect eyeliner is you have to know your eye shape. Like what works with your eye shape. I like to do my eyeliner really thin in the beginning. And then I like to do a line straight like that. And then make a wing from there. So once you do a line like that, I like to do a line like that. And then I feel like this is the easiest part. I like to fill in my eyeliner from the end to the beginning. I like to start from the end and work it down. I feel like that's the easiest way to get the eyeliner perfect. And then, you know, fill it in. And depending how big you want the arch to go, you do you, boo boo. But this is the easiest way to do like a perfect eyeliner. But yeah, this is the way I do my eyeliner. Alright, so as you guys can see, my eyeliner is done. This is how it looks. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and I hope you guys got some quick tips, and you know, you guys can go out there and rock your own eyeliner. But this is the easiest way to do my eyeliner. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on your bell notifications so you guys are always notified every single time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next tutorial or video. Bye guys. Mwah.